Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about SAGA watch. So it's super cute, check it out. This watch was inspired by dancing hemlines. The overall shape is like a dancing and shining skirt, like who you are, brave to achieve your dreams, and the layered of natural mother of pearl dial design is sparkling and attractive. Mother of pearl dial crystals from a Danube mineral crystal glass, no worries about getting scratched. Genuine leather strap. And it's a Swiss movement, emphasizing the swift movement, accurate timekeeping, and power saving. It's also water resistant and power saving. You can use this for everyday use, so you can dress it up or dress it down. This is super cute for me. I'd be wearing it every single day. I'd be wearing it to work just to keep track of my time.